Hey guys, Matt Hennon here with Dye Paintball, and in this video we're going to go over replacing the M3s connector board. The tools that we're going to need are a 3/32 Allen, a small Phillips, your M3s, and the parts that we're going to be replacing. We're going to go ahead, set the parts aside. We're going to go ahead and remove the grips from our M3s. Set those aside, and we're going to go ahead and remove the trigger frame from the body using the 3/32 Allen. Once we have both screws loose, we'll go ahead and set the body aside, and we're just going to be using the trigger frame here. The board we are replacing is at the top. We're going to go ahead and remove the one screw. Then we're going to push down from the bottom on the green part of the board itself. Give it a slight push, and it will detach the connector board from the main board. We're going to go ahead and remove the new parts. We're going to set the screw aside, and we're going to make sure that we line up the pins and the holes here so we don't bend any of these pins. We're going to flip it upside down. The screw holes go towards the rear of the trigger frame. We're going to line it up and firmly press. We're going to go ahead and take our screw, line it up with the hole, firmly tighten so that it presses against this O-ring. And now we're going to go ahead and put the M3s back together. Attach the trigger frame screws, and then firmly tighten. We're going to go ahead, put the grips back on. And there you have it, a simple, easy way to go ahead and replace your M3s connector board.